Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: how do you know if your BELKIN SoundForm ClearFit are charging? We can check it for the charging case. At the right side we have USB-C port. Need to connect USB-C cable right to this port and connect it to the power. And if you see this LED light, means that your charging case are charging. We cannot check it for the earbuds by the LED light, because if I put it here, no backlight, no LED light here, even if I connect it with a power. But you can, so if you have iOS, you can create a widget and check battery percentages right here. Or if you have Android, you need to open control panel and check it here or in the settings, and then just put your earbuds to the charging case, connect the case to the power, charge your earbuds, and after, let's say, 10 minutes, check is the battery percentages changed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!